Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a driver on the Uber app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and report a driver. Maybe they were rude, maybe there was something wrong with them. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Activity on the bottom middle side. Click on the ride in which you face the rider, and then from here, scroll down and then click on Report Safety Issue. So this is where you can choose from a variety of different options as far as how to report a driver. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and report a driver on the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.